Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Brittany Rainey. I want to give you a quick update on what's going on in the tropics, and there's not a whole lot to update you on. We have pretty quiet conditions out there, and that's how it's going to stay for at least the next 5 days. We have a lot of dry air coming off the African coast, and then as any tropical waves race off to the west, they're encountering quite a bit of high wind shear over the Caribbean, so that's keeping anything from developing over the area. But when something develops, we'll keep you updated. Have a great day.